Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to activate chat heads in Messenger. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So you can only activate chat heads in Messenger when you are using Android device. Because if you are using iOS, unfortunately it is not available in devices of iOS. Okay? So now what you need to do is to open the Messenger app. Okay, so once you've opened the Messenger app, you need to make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your device. You can download it from the Google Play Store for Android. Okay, so now what you need to do next is to tap on your profile picture on or the three horizontal lines. So you should see that at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. So in the expanded menu, tap on Settings, then scroll down and find the Chat Heads option. So on the Chat Heads screen, toggle the switch to the on position. Once enabled, you should start seeing chat heads pop on your screen when you receive new messages in Messenger. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day!